stories stitched with shaky ends. Did you hear what he had said? A demon came to raise the dead. Some just laughed and closed their doors. Some kept watch from shadowed floors. Children hushed, the streets grew still. Fear crept in against their will. In this whispering town, where silence screams, where tales blend into dreams, who's to say what's real or not, when even prayers feel cold and lost? Rumors bloom like wildfire's breath. That voice was mad or touched by death. Was it her, that girl from past? The one they swore was gone at last. Eyes avoid the midnight breeze.